Here's a new 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Turbo V6 engine, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, engine auto stop start feature, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, external memory control, dual zone climate control, smartphone wireless charging, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.